In life, whether we thrive in any environment often comes down to how it makes us feel. How would it feel if your ideas had the power to truly improve people's lives through daily innovation and purpose?
Imagine being part of the solution, working with innovative problem solvers to address global health and nutrition challenges. What if you worked in a place where creativity thrives, working together towards a mission that ensures health for all, hunger for none?
How would it feel to own your career, growing as a professional and as an individual, supported by a culture that celebrates your unique strengths?
Imagine being yourself every day while making a real difference. Discover the opportunity to be you at Bayer.